Okay, I'm going to show you how this website works. You're only doing mission 1, and all these will be locked until you finish each mission. If you want to go ahead to the other ones, I encourage you to do that. They're actually pretty fun, but mission 1 is the only one that's going to be required. So I'm going to play that, and it gives you some information here. But we're going to start with, and these will be locked. I'm redoing it, so these will all be locked. Go ahead and watch the video, which will explain as well how it works, but I'm going to replay. And it tells you what to do. Drag these 2 species into the center of the screen to start building your tree. And this is kind of blocking it, but I'm going to take these 2 organisms and drag them up into there. Now I have to drag to this shared trait. The gecko and the palm tree both have cells that have a nucleus. So I'm going to drag this and drop it right there because they share that characteristic. When you get it right, these circles will fill in. Okay, it gets more complicated, but you'll see that as time goes on. So next, okay, click on the magnifying glass to gather the information you need about each species. So I'm going to click that, and it's going to pop up stuff. I gotta hide that. Okay, so here's the fly algeric. Okay, and it tells me about the mushroom, physical traits. They have a nucleus. It's a heterotroph, though. It eats other things. Mushrooms don't get their food through photosynthesis. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to drag this up. And because it's a heterotroph, it's in the same group as geckos, actually. It's more closely related to the gecko than it is to the palm tree. So the photosynthetic one is an autotroph, so that would be the palm tree. Okay, and we'll see if we're right. Yep, we're right on that. But both of these are heterotrophic. They eat other things for energy. So I'm going to pop that right there. And that's it. It'll ask you a question, and I already went over it, so I'll answer this one for you. Now you've completed the first puzzle. Answer the question: is an animal or a plant more closely related to the fungus? So it's more closely related to the animal because it's both in the same group. Okay, so I'm going to say animal, and then it gives you some more information. Okay, so that was the red, green, and gecko. Now you go to familiar faces, and it gets more and more and more difficult. Okay, so as you go through the website, it's going to get more difficult. Whoops. Sorry, I don't want to start over, so I'm going to hit replay. But this one, it's a big one. So once you're done with this one, you take a screenshot according to the instructions that are on the instructional video, and you submit that screenshot as your assignment. Okay? Any questions on this one? I expect to get some. So if you have any questions about this one, go ahead and email me, okay? Take care. Bye-bye.